Okay, so we're gonna open the bubble bag. It is a ultimate pack of bubble bath time fun. And this is for the baby. So we're gonna open this. The AC is going off. It comes with soap stickers, bath fizzer, original bubble bath bottle, and a scientific and terrific bath potion. Okay, so first thing we're gonna take out from here is these stickers. Look, these stickers. You're gonna put them in the bath, okay? And then what else do we have? Careful. Careful, careful, careful. What is that? Bubbles. Bubbles. What is that? A potion. And we have one more thing. Can you get the last thing out? A bath fizzer. What's in the bubbles? That's it. Oh, it's done. Look. Okay. So it comes with 4 items. So this is a sticker. So it's gooey, colorful, slimy soap. And we're gonna try it, right? So, yes, we're gonna open it in the bathtub. And that's a mini version. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so this is the I'm like low-key excited for this one. You like the fizzer? Or do you like the bottle? The fizzer? Okay. Yeah, so she has tried bath bombs, but we'll see how this one works. Okay, let's go in the bathtub. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna see you guys in the bathtub. In the scientific experiment. Yep. Hold it up in the water. The water. Wow. No. Like this. Look. There you go. It's a potion. More water. More water. More water. There you go. No. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Fill it up. Fill it up. Yeah, okay. That's the potion. Now we're going to open this one. Hold on. Hold on. Next. Can you say next? Next. Alright, now we're going to do this one. Alright, you ready? Next. This is the soap sticker. These are stickers. Alright, ready? Let's close it. Alright. Now here you go. You ready for the sticker? Look at these stickers. Here. Put it in the water. Put in the water. Thank you. That's it, all done. All done. like that? No. Now the tub is blue. Yay! You silly. So much glue. Is that your potion bottle? Wow. Good job. Okay, are you ready for the fizzy? Okay, close. We're gonna close. Now the fizzy. Here's the fizzy. Put it in. Put it inside. On the water. There you go. Yeah, put it on the water. It smells good. It smells delicious. Smells fruity. There you go. There's the fizzy. There's the fizzy. Good job. Bubble. Where's your fizzy? Where's your fizzy? Okay, it's coming. The little bubble. Mr. Bubble Bath. We have the big one.
Mom, yeah.
This is the big. This one you're going to need an adult help. This is the foam soap candy apple doodle. So you can write, draw, and create with this one.
Bubble.
Bubbles. Don't open it. Can we close it? Close it. We're gonna open it in the tub. Yes, in the tub.